How to play Ludo King as a guest. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. We are back with another Ludo King tutorial and we'll be learning how we can play as a guest without signing in to Ludo King. First of all, install and open up the Ludo King game on your device. Once you're inside this sign-in page, you will see Play as Guest button at the bottom. Without signing into the account, you can simply tap on Play as Guest and then you'll be inside this home page. Now go ahead and select a name for yourself, choose your gender, select your profile picture and then click Save. You have successfully created a guest profile for yourself. Now go ahead and choose whether you want to play online game, the versus computer option, pass and play, or team up option. Pick whatever suits your mood and then select the game type from quick game, popular, mask, classic, or whichever option is provided on the page. Make your selection and then you can also go to the top of the screen, choose a theme for your game. If available, you can choose nature theme, Egypt, disco, Marvel, or candy theme from this page. If you don't have available themes yet, you can also go ahead and get them for instant by tapping the add option. Then you can view an ad and you'll be able to get access to the chosen theme. After selecting the theme and after you are ready, go ahead and select your token color, select players or number of players, select game from the bottom where you need to enter the entry fee. I'm just gonna choose the lowest entry fee and click on play. Once you do that, wait for a few seconds and your player will be selected and now you'll be able to get inside the game. Now, roll the dice, move your tokens, try to bring all the pieces home before others and then you are done. That's it. Now you're ready to enjoy Ludo King as a guest without any login hassles. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.